Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a hyperlinked digital planner in Google Slides. Start by opening a new blank presentation. Remove the text boxes so the slide is empty. Set the slide size by clicking File, then Page Setup. Choose Custom and change it to the size of a tablet screen, such as 8.5 by 11 inches. Design your cover page. You can add a rectangle shape, choose a background color, and type a title. Add images or icons if you like. Next, create section tabs. Insert small rectangles along one side of the slide. Label them Calendar, Goals, or any other categories you need. Copy these tabs and paste them on every slide so they stay visible. To link the tabs, select one, right-click and choose Link. Connect it to the correct slide. Repeat this for every tab. This makes your planner clickable so you can jump between sections. Complete all the tabs, and your hyperlinked planner will be ready. You can keep it in Google Slides or export it as a PDF with active links. Thanks for watching.